How to log in into BambooHR employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into BambooHR employee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, simply search for BambooHR employee login. After you search for that, hit enter, and there you will find different websites for your login. So here you can see Bamboo HR for employees. You can open that up. There are also login pages for users and HR admins. So if you're either one of those, you can use that as well. So after you're here, you'll find different options. So yeah, just select one. There you will see managing your information and other stuff. But we can simply tap on this sign in option right here on the top. After you do that, you can then enter your company's domain. After you enter your company's domain, tap on continue. And after you do that, you'll be then prompted to your sign in page. So just follow the prompt. It'll just ask you your user ID or basically your email address for the company. And then simply, type your password in and you'll get logged in. And yeah, that's basically same for every other sites as well. So let's head over to this one and it should take a while to load. But yeah, type in your username and then your password and then you can log in. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye.